Hello, everyone. Welcome to Improve English with a Simple Story. Today's story is The Woman Who Learned Step by Step. In this story, you will learn simple English sentences, daily conversations, and common expressions about feelings and relationships. This story will help you improve your listening skills, learn new vocabulary, and practice English speaking through shadowing. So relax, listen carefully, and let's start our English story together. My name is Anna Brooks. I live in a small city near the sea. The city is quiet. People walk slowly here. Life is calm. I am 24 years old. I work in a small office. My job is simple. I answer emails, I write short reports, I drink coffee at my desk. Every morning, I wake up at 6. I open my window, cool air comes inside. I take a deep breath. I like mornings. Mornings are quiet. My mind feels clear. I make tea. I sit near the window. I think about my life. I want to change something. I want to speak English well. I studied English at school, but I did not practice speaking. I know many words, but my mouth feels slow. When I speak English, I feel shy. I feel nervous. I worry about mistakes. At work, my manager sometimes speaks English. Foreign clients send emails. I read them. I understand them. But when I need to reply, I feel scared. One day, my manager says, "Anna, next month we will have a foreign meeting." My heart beats fast. I smile and say, "Okay," but inside I feel afraid. That night I go home. I sit on my bed. I look at my phone. I search how to speak English better. I see many videos, many lessons, many teachers. I feel confused. Then I see one simple video. The title says, "Listen and Repeat, Simple English Story." I click the video. A woman appears on the screen. She smiles gently. She speaks slowly. She says, "Hello, my friend. Listen carefully, then repeat after me." Her voice is calm, not fast, not loud. I like it. She starts a story. Each sentence is short, clear, easy. I listen. Then I repeat. At first, my voice is very quiet. I speak slowly. But I continue. I repeat every sentence. I stop the video. I repeat again. 10 minutes pass. I do not feel tired. I feel calm. The next day, I wake up early again. I make tea. I open the same video. I listen. I repeat. This becomes my routine. Every morning, 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes. No pressure, no fear. Just listening, just repeating. Days pass. 1 week, 2 weeks. Something changes. My ears hear English better. My mouth moves easier. I start to enjoy speaking. One day, I walk to work. I speak English in my head. I say simple sentences. I am walking to work. The weather is nice today. I feel calm. I smile. At lunchtime, I sit with my coworker, Lisa. Lisa asks, "Anna, you look happy today." I say, "I am practicing English." Lisa says, "Really? How?" I say, "I listen and repeat every day." Lisa nods. "That sounds good," she says. That night, I try something new. I stand in front of the mirror. I look at myself. I speak English out loud. "Hello, my name is Anna. I work in an office. I like tea." I laugh. It feels strange, but it feels good. I am not perfect, but I am speaking. I understand something important. You do not need long hours. You do not need difficult grammar. You need small steps every day. The next week, something unexpected happens. At work, a foreign client calls. My manager looks at me. Anna, he says, can you answer? My heart beats fast again, but this time I take a breath. I say, yes, I can try. I pick up the phone. I say, hello, this is Anna speaking. The client speaks slowly. I listen carefully. I understand. I answer. My voice is not shaking. The call ends. My manager smiles. Good job, Anna. My face feels warm. I feel proud. That night, I walk home slowly. The city lights are soft. I think about my journey. It is just the beginning, but I know one thing. I will not stop.